Welcome to another episode. Yesterday I had my very first zombie mode after a year and a couple of months. Anyway, this is what happened yesterday. I had my first case of zombie mode this morning. I went out to check on my silhouette lights, which had mysteriously gone off, and then it wouldn't go into drive. So I've got my spare key and I'm going to try it again. So my foot is on the brake and I'm pressing it. Nope. It's not going ready. Car's in valet mode. I've gone back to manual mode just in case setting it remotely on and off is causing the issue. So I'll get that out. Now foot brake on. Not going into drive. There's no accessory load. Immobiliser's gone off. Nothing. Parking brake is on, and it's not charging the battery, so it's definitely not in full-on mode. So I'm gonna have to try disconnecting the 12-volt battery to see if I can fix this. Well, I've tried the spare key, I've tried a head unit reset, so now it's 10mm span of time, taking the battery off. Before you disconnect the 12-volt battery from the negative terminal, remove any charge cables and turn the car off. Right, that's that disconnected. Get the spanner out. One 10mm ring. This is how you pop the bonnet. The catch is there. Lift up the frunk lid and then pull off this cover to get at the 12-volt battery. That's the positive terminal, that's negative. You want that terminal and you're going to undo that one. And then you slacken that off. And then the car is off, everything's off. That should be loose enough to move. Just lift it off, hold it away from any metalwork or the battery terminal for a minute or two. Then when you've done that, carefully put it back on and then tighten it back up. Don't over tighten it. Always hold the spanner short to save you putting too much leverage on. Close the frunk and then close the bonnet. Done. The only thing I've been doing different the last few days is using the remote valet mode on off. So I wonder if it's triggering the issue like Nero EV owners have got with telematics. If I can reproduce this, I will send it to Kia. Right, I've disconnected and reconnected the 12-volt battery. So now let's see. And it's ready. Wow. So something happened to make the car get immobilised and not go into drive mode. Anyway, just disconnecting the 12-volt battery has made it work again. So I'm suspicious of the remote valet mode feature that they've just introduced is causing it, because it was after I'd taken it out of valet mode that it got stuck. So I think more testing is required, but at least I know just a 12-volt battery disconnect will get the car going. Very, very strange. But try as I might, I've taken it in and out of valet mode from the app and stopped and started probably 10 times today, but I cannot reproduce this error. And the moral of yesterday's story is always carry a 10mm ring spanner or anything that will fit the battery. I use a ring spanner because little mini socket sets don't have the depth to go over the nut and bolt on the terminals. So this gets you out of trouble a lot of times. Thank you for watching.